Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing good, and thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you will be very happy. Today we are going to learn reading. Yes, this is the best video to learn reading. We are going to read a story. Yes, a very, very common story. A very popular story. Yeah, that story is about an old man and his sons. Yeah, so I will be reading slowly, and after reading one sentence, I give you also time and try to read. Yes, and you pronounce the words very good, like the way me also I pronounce them. Yes, let's begin. The old man and his sons. Once upon a time, there lived an old man who had several sons. His sons were strong, but they were very lazy. They did not like working on the farm and always argued with each other. The old man was worried. He thought, what will happen to my sons after I die? One day, when the old man became very weak, he called all his sons and said, my sons, listen carefully. I have hidden a great treasure in our farm. Dig the land well, and you will find it. Soon after saying this, the old man passed away. The sons became excited. They went to the farm and began digging everywhere, near the trees, in the corners, and in the middle of the fields. They dug day and night, but they found no treasure. Feeling tired and disappointed, they said, there is no treasure here. But because the land was well dug, they decided to plant seeds. After some time, the crops grew very well, and they got a huge harvest. They sold the crops and earned a lot of money. Then they finally understood their father's words. The real treasure was not gold or money. The real treasure was hard work. From that day on, the sons stopped being lazy and worked together happily. Moral of the story: hard work is the great treasure. So I hope everyone, you will start working hard, because that's a treasure. Thank you so much for listening, and please like and subscribe to this video to learn more. Thank you very much.